Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Perlegear television pedestal. It's a television stand for 37 up to 55 inches flat screen televisions. That's really cool. Of course, it's possible to dock there an OLED, an LCD, and plasma, a flat screen, and curved televisions or monitors. Up to 40 kilogram maximum is the VESA standard 400 to 400 millimeter. But they are all compatible in the VESA standard of 400 to 200, 300 to 300, 300 to 200, 200 to 200, 200 to 100, and 100 to 100. And of course the 400 to 400. Because it is a universal television stand. The Perlegear television stand is suitable for 37 inches up to 55 inches curved and flat screen televisions, up to 40 kilogram. We should check the size, the weight, and the VESA specification of our television before we are going to assemble that television stand here, of course. The height is adjustable. It's a sturdy and stable television stand with 4 different adjustable heights. Each height can be adjusted by 5 cm to suit different television size or feet height requirements. And it's a sturdy construction. This television stand has a solid 8 mm tempered glass base, which is connected to a solid steel column, which gives our television a stable support, and it can hold up to 40 kilogram. We don't worry that our television is in dropping mode again, because it is in a safe hand on this television stand here. And you can see it's a really quick installation. It's possible in nearly 20 minutes. And then our television stand comes with all necessary accessories and graphical instruction if you like. But you can see it is really easy in that video here how we can attach these parts on the television stand. Because it's only 3 parts, you have to tighten each other, and then of course you have to attach the 2 rails on your television backside, and then you can hang it up, tighten it, job's done. It's compatible with the most television brands on the market. For example, Samsung, LG, Panasonic, and so many more. It's a stand made out of glass plate, and metal column. The display size can be from 26 to 55 inches. The adjustable heights are 31 cm, 36, 41, and 46 cm. The weight capacity is 40 kilogram. And it's suitable for all television devices as long as the VESA hole spacing is supported. And I repeat, 400 to 400, 400 to 200, 300 to 300, 300 to 200, 200 to 200, 200 100, and 100 100. This is suitable for all LCD, LED, OLED, and flat panels televisions out there. And it's really easy installation. We install our television bracket within 20 or maybe 30 minutes. We mount the base of the tempered glass to the steel column, and then we mounted the plate one by one. We mounted the bracket on the back of our television. We hang our television on the stand, and then we manage the wires by running them through the center of the column. Job's done. It's really easy. This television bracket is designed for durability and comes with the necessary hardware to make the installation process easier as possible. The product itself, Perlegear, comes with a TV bracket, and it's in high standard. And we can make it easy. First, we have to check the VESA standard. Second, we install everything, and then we can enjoy this television stand easily. This television bracket is designed for nice televisions like yours, and it makes a good job. The television bracket is designed for make us happy, because maybe our stand of our television is lost or broken. Then this is a really good alternative solution. Or we like to lift our television a little bit more up. It's a good choice. If you does not need, or if you cannot attach the wall mount, then it's a good thing to use a stand like this here. And then you're back in business. This is easy and it's a good quality. This is the Perlegear television pedestal stand. It's a television stand for 37 up to 55 inches, OLED, LCD, plasma, flat and curved televisions or monitors, up to 40 kilogram. The maximum VESA 400. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.